Hello everyone, this is Josephine from Design by Josephine and Josee, and today's video is an early spring tablescape video. Now this tablescape is just absolutely gorgeous with all of the beautiful colors and elegant colors of spring. And I am also featuring the cabbage plates in this tablescape. But before I share all of the details of this elegant tablescape, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week on my channel. And if you are into tablescapes, home decor, gardening, and how to entertain at home, then you can definitely subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. Please be sure to check out all of my other videos. The links are going to be down below in the description box. And please be sure to check out my live videos as well. And so now let me go ahead and get started in today's tablescape.
Give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. you.